Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito cocktail. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint leaves, a lime, granulated sugar, and white rum. You'll also need some club soda and ice. Begin by placing about 10 to 12 mint leaves into a sturdy highball glass. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar and the juice from half a lime. Gently muddle these ingredients together to release the mint's essential oils without tearing the leaves. Next, it's time to add the star of the show, the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass, directly over the muddled mint, lime, and sugar. Give it a quick stir to ensure everything is well mixed. Then, fill your glass completely to the top with crushed ice. Crushed ice helps to chill the drink quickly and provides a pleasant texture. Now for the refreshing fizz. Top off your mojito with about 3 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda. You can adjust this amount based on your preference for fizziness. Give the drink a very gentle stir from the bottom up to incorporate the soda without losing too much carbonation. Finally, add a fresh lime wedge to the rim and a vibrant mint sprig for a beautiful and aromatic garnish. Your delicious, homemade mojito is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to appreciate the refreshing aroma before taking your first sip. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of sugar or lime juice to perfectly match your personal taste. This classic cocktail is wonderfully refreshing and perfect for a warm day or any gathering. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.